What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin because we are jumping with Dogecoin now. We are spiking up Dogecoin and we are rising in price. And this is a really important moment for Dogecoin right now because in my previous video, I was doing a video about how Dogecoin consolidated. Previously for Saturday Night Live, we had a consolidation right before our supposed breakout or our dip. And we actually had a dip instead of a breakout. Like, we broke out small and then we dipped. And then I also talked about our consolidation that we had previously with this. And we were actually watching it. And I just now dropped this video, and I tried to drop it in enough time. And as soon as I dropped it, those started to jump. And I was doing the video and I was saying either we're going to have a dip or a jump, because we always have this when we have consolidation. So whenever we have consolidation, we always have either a dip or a jump. And that's kind of what I was getting at here in my previous video. And we actually had a jump instead of a dip. And this was the bottom out of the consolidation period that I had drawn in a previous video. But yeah, we either had the dip or the jump, and we actually had the jump. So now what we're going to do here, we're going to set our new trend line. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this over here, and then I'm going to take this trend line, and then I'm going to turn this trend line into our new uptrend line. Let's just draw a new line for that. So now we are going on a new trend here. And let's just call this our uptrend. Anything can happen with Doge, remember that. So we're gonna look at something like this. We're gonna continue to go up, consolidate here, and then we should have another jump or a possible dip. Like I said, after these consolidation periods, when we're going sideways and we're just trading sideways, that typically means that we're about to drop or about to jump. And right now, Dogecoin, I would say we're more than likely to jump, because we just now lost so much market cap. And whenever there's a dip, you know that the whales are coming in to buy that dip. And that's kind of how it happens. The whales took out about $25 billion in market cap, and now they're about to throw it right back in. They're throwing it in right before our eyes, so we can see what they're doing right now. But this video is less about the technical analysis side of this and more about the news. So what kind of news do we have here today with Dogecoin? So look here on CNBC. They just now released this article. Look at this. The Winklevoss twins Gemini exchange. So yes, the Gemini exchange now lets you earn interest on Doge. So you can now earn interest on Doge. This is huge. Gemini Earn will now let clients move their holdings in Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies into interest-bearing accounts. The company, founded by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, said users can earn 2.25% APY on Dogecoin held at Gemini. So yeah, you can get interest now with Gemini. So this is really big. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, is going all in on Dogecoin. Starting Sunday, the Gemini app will let clients move their holdings in Dogecoin into interest-bearing accounts through its Gemini Earn service. The company says it will offer a rate of 2.25% APY, which is annual percentage yield on a customer's idle Dogecoin balances. So yeah, if you own Dogecoin and Gemini, they're just going to be paying you this interest. This is really big right now. So yeah, what else do we have here? Let's see what we're doing with our charts. So yeah, we're actually continuing to we're gonna rise here with the charts. I really do think we're gonna be at 60 cents, 70 cents soon, and we're really gonna pass $1 by this year. I really do believe that. Let me know what you all think in the comments, if you think that Dogecoin is about to rise or drop, because I really think it's going to be a rise instead of a drop. But that's just me personally. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing personally. Okay, so let's see what we have here for more news, because we actually have been having a lot of news with Dogecoin. Dogecoin near 75 cents. Yes, we did near 75 cents, and then we slipped. Elon Musk hosts Saturday Night Live jokes about space. But see, this thing about people talking about Elon Musk calling it a hustle on Twitter, are not on Twitter, but on Saturday Night Live. The only reason he called it a hustle is because they kind of backed him into a corner with it. They kind of they're prying. They're like, so what's Dogecoin? And I said this in my previous video. They're like, what's Dogecoin? Elon Musk is like, Dogecoin is this, that. It has $129 billion or 129 billion coins. They're like, what is it? What is it? What is it? And he keeps telling them. And then there's just like, so it's a hustle. And he was just like, yeah, it's hustle. So it's kind of one of those things where like he was backed in a corner. So he kind of had to say something. And they kind of, implied that it was a hustle, not Elon Musk. Elon Musk is big on Dogecoin. But anyway, we have so much good news here with Dogecoin. Let's go over here to Twitter and see exactly what we are doing with our Dogecoin community, because the Dogecoin community is big. Look at this. Wario is now trending just because of Elon Musk. Buy the dip is now trending because Elon Musk. But yeah, the big news is the Gemini exchange now accepting those, now doing, APYs. They're giving out interest for Dogecoin. So let's go over here and do Gemini. Yes, Gemini right here. They are doing the Dogecoin thing. We are this was February 3rd. But yeah, CNBC, they just now retweeted the CNBC's post about them letting you earn interest on Dogecoin. This is huge. You can now earn 2.25% on Dogecoin. So much stuff is happening with Dogecoin that we're seeing right now. And there's actually something I want to go all the way back here to. One of these articles. So yeah, this Yahoo Finance article. Let's read this. When it comes to Dogecoin, Mark Cuban is right about its real value. So Mark Cuban said something really big about Dogecoin. Let's just keep reading because this is a short article. We can blow through this real quick. Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban recently tweeted that Dogecoin makes perfect sense as a transactional currency. The value of Dogecoin jumped 20% of the news. Okay, so guess what? A transactional currency, just like the US dollar. And you got to think, when we had the Saturday Night Live, Elon Musk compared it to the US dollar. They're like, they pointed at the US dollar, and then the people, they were like, this is a physical dollar. They're like, how does crypto, compare? What is crypto? And he pretty much said, if Dogecoin is a joke, it's just as much of a joke as the US dollar, because you've seen how much money we printed into with US dollars this year or last year, and we're printing more this year. So they're really saying, like, look, Dogecoin is the same as the US dollar, except there's not as many Dogecoin being printed into the economy like there is the US dollar. So technically, on a technical point of view, Dogecoin is actually a better investment than the US dollar. Like, let's say you're one of those people that trade Forex and you want to hold on to the US dollar. There's no point in doing that. You might as well hold on to Dogecoin. Like, you kind of see how the US dollar fluctuates. The US dollar is going down, Dogecoin is going up. So this is what we have to look at it like here. Like, look at this. Let's go on our longer chart here. So let's look over here at this chart. As we can see, Dogecoin just continues to rise. This is our trend line that we're going up on. This is our long-term trend line. So I set a lot of short-term trend lines. Short-term trend lines mean nothing. Like they only really matter for swing traders and day traders. But short-term trend lines, they really mean nothing inside the world of crypto right here. So really, only thing that really matters is our long-term trend lines. And I always like to have our long-term trend lines set so we know exactly what we're going to do. But yeah, that's just a little bit of that. But look at this, Dogecoin and the Mark Cuban thing. So this is a transactional currency. Dogecoin is a transactional currency. You can see Dogecoin being used all over. Even if you go over here and you look, what can I buy with Dogecoin? Like, you can buy so many different things with Dogecoin. It's not even funny. 5 things to know before you buy. How do I buy? Blah, 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 blah. Let's see what we can do. What can you do with Dogecoin? Motley Fool. I do not like Motley Fool. Let's continue to go. Forbes. I don't think anyone likes Motley Fool because they always give these bull articles, like they just, when I say bull, I mean bullish, not, I'm not talking about the bull market articles. They give bearish articles, but yeah, they really got some bull, what articles. But yeah, Dogecoin, Elon Musk, and Saturday Night Live, 5 things to know before, blah, blah, blah. Dogecoin is unlimited. Dogecoin is useless. Look at this. People are talking about Dogecoin being useless, but you can buy things every day with Dogecoin. Selling Dogecoin could be tricky. It's not. It literally works in a matter of seconds with Binance US. It's tricky with Robinhood. Let's continue. A Dogecoin whale could be lurking. Dogecoin whales could not be lurking because the top Dogecoin whale is Robinhood, and they have not sold any. And when they get the Robinhood wallets, that will be irrelevant. You can't invest in Dogecoin. Actually, yeah, you can invest in Dogecoin. I invested at $3,000 in Dogecoin and turned it into $50,000 or $15,000, and then I sold it. So that was an investment, and I actually made a lot of money on my investment. 3 times 5, I upped my money by 5. So yeah, that is an investment right there. That's simple math. Like, I'm literally not working a job right now and chilling at my house making YouTube videos because I made money on Dogecoin. So how is Dogecoin not investment? There's millionaires that are being made out of Dogecoin. There's billionaires invested inside of Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is not unlimited too. Dogecoin, there's only 5 billion added every year. That's not unlimited. Yeah, we can have an unlimited supply, but we cannot create unlimited Dogecoin. We can only create 5 billion a year. So it's not unlimited. It's limited to an extent. So that is how they should be saying it. So we actually invalidated all of Forbes, points here. So we know Forbes is not that educated when it comes to Dogecoin or when it comes to, crypto in general. But anyway, how to buy Dogecoin, blah, blah, blah. 7 ways to buy Dogecoin. Anyway, I can't see where they're talking about what you can buy with Dogecoin. We already know we can buy what we can buy. We can buy Dallas Mavericks gear. We can buy some baseball gear. We can buy baseball tickets. We can buy basketball tickets. We can buy watches with, let's go over to BitPay. BitPay tells us everything that we can buy with Dogecoin. So we already know Dogecoin is being used as an investment. And I just think when, not Elon Musk, but think when, not Mark Cuban, what is his name? Oh, yeah. This guy, the Amazon guy. Why do I keep forgetting his name? Oh my gosh. I cannot remember. Jeff Bezos. Why did I even do that? Like, why did I even stumble on Jeff Bezos' name? But anyway, Jeff Bezos, all we need is for him to put money into Dogecoin. That is all we need right now. But yeah, you can get camping gear with Dogecoin. You can buy hotel tickets in Miami with Dogecoin. You could do so much thing with Dogecoin, like Mark Cuban is selling NFTs with Dogecoin. You can do so many different things with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is no joke. You can buy these watches with Dogecoin. You could buy stuff from your friends. You could trade stuff. Honestly, I'm thinking about making a website and making transactions being available through Dogecoin. Let me know if you guys would be interested in buying merch from me through Dogecoin. That would be good to just have this Dogecoin, and it would be really cheap Dogecoin, because I know Dogecoin is going to go up over time. So I would not mind getting a t-shirt and then selling it to someone for like 100 Dogecoin. Because honestly, 100, well, not 100 Dogecoin, that could be a lot. That's like $50. Maybe getting a t-shirt and then selling it for like 25 to 50 Dogecoin. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking about with Dogecoin right now, because Dogecoin is going crazy, and I really do want to make like my own merch site and stuff. I do have merch in the description, but it's with Teespring, but I want my own thing that I can do Dogecoin through. But look at this Dogecoin and BitPay. Let's go up here and look at more of our Dogecoin trending stuff here. So yeah, we're trending with Warrior, we're trending with Buy the Dip. Dogecoin is always going to be trending somehow. Mother's Day is the number one trending right now. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there, all the mothers. But we have some more things to talk about with Dogecoin, because Elon Musk is our number one person with Dogecoin. And the Warrior meme is really going crazy with Elon Musk. So watch Elon Musk and play Warrior, parody SpaceX, and hype Dogecoin on Saturday Night Live. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Brings rating lift to Saturday Night Live, ratings lift. So that's pretty cool that Elon Musk actually helped Saturday Night Live get more ratings. So that's really big that Elon Musk did this. This is actually really exciting. It'd be really cool to meet Elon Musk. It would have been really cool to go out there and do that show right there. But we are going to continue to get more money inside of this Dogecoin. Like, we're going to continue to get more market cap is what I'm trying to say. Because like the more Elon Musk talks about it, the more news articles that talk about it, the more people that talk about Dogecoin, whether it's bad or good, we're going to get more market cap. Look at this, $67 billion in market cap. But right over here, it says Elon Musk reveals he has Asperger's on Saturday Night Live. Elon Musk reveals he has Asperger's. I did not even know that he has Asperger's. I know even, Chief Keef, he has Asperger's. But Asperger's is actually pretty... It's actually pretty common. I probably have some Asperger's here, but let's continue to go down. The 49-year-old, because Asperger's is kind of similar to let's look at this, Asperger's syndrome. So yeah, this is what they're saying. Elon Musk has, also known as Asperger's, is a neurodevelopment disorder characterized by significant difficulties in social interaction and nonverbal communication. I definitely do have some difficulties in social interaction, but not because I don't want to have the difficulties, because I more than likely do not want to talk. Like, I would rather talk to you all on YouTube than in person. That's how a lot of people are. Because a lot of people would rather, get work done. They rather do their thing instead of, conversate. And that's kind of the type of person Elon Musk is. So having him on Saturday Night Live, you could actually see how awkward he was inside of a lot of the different skits. And like, he does this thing with his hands where like he'll put his fingers together. And then like, while he's talking, he like makes these like gestures with his hands and his fingers. And it's something that a lot of people that have that do, to articulate themselves physically. Like, they're speaking, but they're doing it physically and they're doing it verbally. So it's definitely pretty cool to look at people's body language. And looking at Elon Musk's body language during the whole Saturday Night Live, it looked like he was comfortable, but he was also a little nervous. But you gotta fake Dogecoin Dogecoin being connected to Elon Musk is such a good thing because Elon Musk is literally the second richest person in the world for one. He's the CEO of SpaceX for two, CEO of Tesla for two, Boring Company, all of this. And we're tied to him. We're connected to Elon Musk with Dogecoin. So this is really big that we had this Dogecoin on Saturday Night Live. It was pretty funny to have the Dogecoin. I wish we could have seen an actual Doge dog. That would have been pretty cool. An actual Doge, a Shiba Inu. That would have been really cool to see on Saturday Night Live. But yeah, this is just a little update. The main thing that you want to take away from this video is the interest with Gemini. Definitely sign up for that and get some interest if you don't have that yet. I haven't signed up for it, but I'm definitely considering it. And yeah, it's just how I want to like see my money grow. I want to see my money grow with interest, so that's definitely a good idea to do. But right now, if we're talking about what I'm personally doing is just holding Dogecoin. I'm just gonna hold it until the moon. And honestly, I have a few other cryptos that I'm invested in, so I'll do some more videos about those. And just let me know what you all think about the videos that I've been doing. Let me know your opinion, and let me know what you think about the Saturday Night Live event. If you actually liked it or didn't like it, just let me know what you think about it. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.